In order to discuss the latest information on how to effectively address the challenges facing manufacturers today, mid-sized manufacturers from North and South Carolina recently gathered with industry experts and consultants at the Triple C Brewery in Charlotte, North Carolina for a seminar entitled Path to Smarter Manufacturing, Industry 4.0.
We're creating a path to a smarter factory using Industry 4.0, which, by the way, has been around for over 10 years, but the mid-sized manufacturer has not been able to take advantage of it. It hasn't been financially or technically available to them, which it is now.
We're trying to deal with problems that are decades old, and what we need right now to solve those problems is people thinking out of the box and approaching the problems from a new perspective.
One of the keys to a successful implementation of Industry 4.0 is to use a modern data architecture to enable access to all the manufacturer's existing data.
When I walk into a factory floor, I see data everywhere. Data coming from machines, from the sensors, data coming from the ERP systems, from their quality control. They have a lot of paper records for data as well. Then you ask a very simple question that how efficiently you are running. No one can give me that answer. So it's data everywhere, but not usable. So what the modern architecture does is bring it together, process it, make it useful or actionable, and then you get the insights that you can use to continuously improve your factory floor.
Smaller, intimate events are so much better than the big mega shows where you have to stop at a trade booth maybe to talk to somebody, or maybe you'll sit at lunch with somebody. But this is really designed to interact and share ideas and learn with each other.
I actually liked it that it was a bit smaller event because people were more willing to be open and communicate both successes and maybe some challenges that they're facing.
Assume your competitors are here. It's a competitive advantage to have the information around your process to be able to make informed, actionable decisions with real-time intelligence.
So if you're a small to mid manufacturer, I think it'd be well worth your time to come see what they have to offer.
Please contact us if you would like more information on the next steps you can take to begin implementing smart manufacturing initiatives in your operation, or reach out to find out where Factory Eye will host their next event.